Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in Workday app in mobile. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log in into Workday mobile app, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your App Store or your Play Store, and then on the search bar type in Workday and simply tap on the app, and then simply tap on the Get app or install app to download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the login field and enter your Workday company URL or company code. This is usually something like companyname.workday.com, and if unsure, ask your HR or IT department for exact URL or company code. Then enter your username and password, and some company use single sign on SSO, so you may be redirected to your company's login page. If your company uses multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity via text, email, or authenticator app, and then once logged in, you can access your Workday dashboard, submit time off, view pay slips, check tasks, and more. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.